Hey guys, hello and namaste. My name is Ashish Rai. I am your host and you are my host and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, while testing a particular web application, I have found a critical vulnerability that is called privilege escalation or IDOR. IDOR stands for insecure direct object reference. And so what I got first of all, okay. In access control flaw, I got a critical vulnerability where a low privilege account able to delete admin based account. And you know what? Low privilege didn't have that much power to delete admin user, right? But in this case, low privilege user is able to delete admin user account. Okay, so let's talk about the introduction. This presentation covers a critical broken access control vulnerability in the user role management API that allow low privilege user to delete admin account, causing privilege escalation and system compromise. So basically in here, what I found this vulnerability in user role management API where a low privilege user is able to delete admin account, okay, and causing privilege escalation and system compromise. It means that a low privilege user is able to delete admin account. It is simple, okay. What is broken access control? Okay, a broken access control flaw let a user manipulate requests to perform unauthorized action like deleting high privilege account, bypassing normal restriction in the API. Okay, so what is this? So basically, it is a flaw where a low privilege user is able to delete high privilege account and bypassing some highly restriction API. Okay, it is simple. Okay, so basically guys, this is the main important note that I have to I have to show you, because this is the request header and I have got this vulnerability in this endpoint. Okay, so guys, so here guys, for example, this is a normal user ID like 92, like something like this. Okay, this is normal user ID. Okay, and for example, this is a user ID of admin. Okay, so when I delete my user ID, okay, user account, I will say user account, when I am trying to delete my normal user account, at that particular time I will replace this user ID to this, for example like this. Sorry, for example like this, and after that I will change this into admin. Okay, and I will simply forward this request and boom, it will delete successfully and admin user will be deleted permanently. Okay, and it is very critical, right? So in my second phase, here is the impact on user and role management API. The vulnerability allow deletion of admin account by low privilege user, resulting in denial of service, privilege escalation and full system compromise. Rate critical. So first of all, this is a critical vulnerability which I found where a low privilege user is able to delete a high privilege account, and it is also cause privilege escalation and full system compromise. Okay. Okay, so what should not happen in this particular scenario? Okay, so think that admin only can delete low privilege user and high privilege user, because admin had that power to delete that particular user. Okay, but in this particular case, normal user is able to delete admin, and it is very critical, right? So that is why it is a security flaw. Okay. Okay, implementing ownership validation. Validate that the user role ID and user ID belong to the current user. Allow scope before processing deletion request to avoid misuse. So it means that validate that the role ID and user ID belong to the current user. It means that server had to validate that role ID and user IDs belong to the current user. Okay. If server fails to verify the role ID and user ID, then this particular vulnerability will be occurred. Okay. Using indirect object reference and audit logging, replacing raw ID with opaque identifier, log all deletion requests and alert on suspicious activity to enhance oversight and security. After that, conclusion. This vulnerability allow attacker to delete admin user, risking full system control. Immediate implementation of recommended control is essential for protection. Okay, and guys, thank you so much. I hope you will like this video. If you have some doubt, then you can text me on this particular Instagram, Bayung Tech. So this is my Instagram ID. You can text here. I will send you the PoC. Okay, Instagram. So guys, just text me. I will share my PoC. Okay, and here is PoC. Actually, I don't. Where is the PoC there? Let me check it. IDOR. So guys, this is the PoC. You can see here, guys. Okay. So for now, guys, bye and thank you so much.